Hey guys, I wanted to give you a peek of our cut flower garden. This is how it's coming along. We have Queen Anne's lace and we have sweet peas and our poppies are right here. I don't know if you can see them, they're little still. And we have corn cockle flowers. This is the other bed. I think we tried to plant stuff here, but I think it's too much heat coming off the building, the pool house. But you can see we have some sweet peas, some snapdragons, and we only have one breadseed poppy. So this garden isn't doing as well, but it's a whole learning process. John just weeded everything for me, so thought I'd share it while there's no weeds.